Alan Holt is back now with the full forecast. Alan, seems like we've got a real increase in activity as you've arrived.
Yeah, I will take credit for the warm-up coming from Texas, but you know, it's not going to be an enjoyable warm-up, I don't think, because we're going to be dealing with some rain, and you can't just brush rain off, you know.
No, you certainly cannot. You got to wear the waterproof.
Yeah, the rain gear going to be needed heading into Friday for sure. We do have a little weak system that slips through tomorrow, but really the story up until Friday is going to be the warming trend that we've got headed our way. It's pretty fair out right now, a few high altitude clouds coming in from the west, and we are going to see, I think, the cloud coverage thicken up, which will keep temperatures from dropping too much, probably into the middle and lower 20s for many. This is the first system, that weak one, that will slip through here tomorrow. This one in the Pacific Northwest, that will be the one that gives us the warm up as well as the rain and wind. So Wednesday, I think, is a decent day for most. A little bit of light mountain snow, and the day is milder. This little front doesn't come through till the evening time, so we may muster some 40s, lower 40s in parts of the state, primarily near the coast tomorrow. And then Thursday, I think, is the nicest day of this week. We'll be in the middle 40s for many under a blend of sun and clouds. And then this system comes in. We were talking about that contrast in pressure driving up the winds, and that's exactly what will happen heading into Friday. The rain will happen pre-dawn Friday morning. That'll start to come in from the west, and for the most part, it's going to be rain throughout the state on Friday. The peak rain looks to happen late morning, early afternoon, and then we start to move it all out into the 8, 9, 10 o'clock hours of Friday evening. There may be some lingering wraparound type snow in the mountains, but for the most part, things settle down. It does get chilly on Saturday, but I think Saturday, between that system and another clipper, will be the nicer of the two weekend days, because Sunday we reintroduce a little bit of snow and perhaps some coastal rain to the forecast. So precip type, mainly going to be rain on Friday. The wind is going to be pretty strong, could gust up to 60 or so. That'll be more so down east, and that could bring in some power issues for some. I don't think this is going to be a huge flooding event. The stream flows are pretty low considering the drought, and there will be a reduction in snowpack. We're focused on down east Maine for those strongest gusts. Again, 50 to 60 miles per hour. That'll be onshore flow. Looking at 45 to 55 in southern Maine, and then up, you know, more into the interior parts of the state, not quite as strong. Weather Service does have a high wind watch that'll be in effect on Friday. So tonight, cold, but nothing we can't handle. Mid-20s along the coast, teens to the north and west. Tomorrow, do think we get into the 40s for the first time this month. It'll be windy on the water, gale warning in effect starting at 1 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So it's going to be pretty rough out there. Southwest wind 20 to 25 knots. And over the next 7 days, I think Friday is the main event in terms of weather happenings. It will be mild, but it will come, again, with a lot of wind and rain. Cools off pretty good Saturday. I think Saturday is looking like the nicer of the two weekend days, because we get another system through here on Sunday. And again, that may bring in another little round of light snow. But probably, you know, if you've got some Christmas shopping to do, anything like that, go out. I don't think the weekend weather is going to be much of an issue if you have some maybe holiday partying or something like that. It'll be nice. It'll be festive, and yeah.
That's the good news.
Friday, we'll get it out of the way Friday.
Sounds good. Thanks, Alan.